Hello, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Sheeler. Today we are doing Lesson 23, Refine Session 4 and 5, Subtracting Within 10. So we're going to need pages 459 to 464. All right, so you may go ahead and pause while you get that, and you're going to need something to write with and some kind of counters. All right, I can tell a story and solve it. So look at 10 minus 2 equals. So I want you to pause it and tell someone a story using 10 minus 2 equals. All right, here is my story. There were 10 bees in the yard. 2 bees flew into the beehive. So I'm going to put an X on these 2 bees. And then there were 8 bees left. So there were 10 bees in the yard. 2 bees flew into the beehive. And then there were 8 bees left. That's my story. All right, so you're going to use your fingers. So this is page 459. So I want you to hold up your fingers and model this story. There are 8 crayons in a box. So you should have 8 fingers. John takes out 5 crayons. How many are left in the box? So you're going to mark the fingers on the page to show the problem and write the equation. So go ahead and pause, and I'll give you a second to do that. I want you to think about when you model this story with your fingers, what does each finger represent? How do you use your fingers to show the crayons being taken away? All right, so here is an example. You could have crossed out different fingers. But here I crossed out these 5 fingers, and then I have 3 fingers left. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. You could have solved it a different way, but the answer is going to be 3. There was 8 crayons in the box. Jake takes out 5. How many are left in the box? All right, so now we're going to go on to page 460, where you are going to use your fingers to solve these subtraction problems. So here we have 9 minus 4 equals. So you're going to cross out 4 fingers. So I'm going to cross out these 4, 3, 4. So 9 minus 4 equals, and I'm going to write the answer right here. Okay, we're going to do another one together. Here, this one over here, we have 10 minus 4 equals. So we have 10 fingers, so hold up 10 fingers. We're going to cross out 4 or take 4 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many fingers are left? 6. So our answer is 6. All right, here we go. We have 9 right here. So hold up 9 fingers. We're going to take away 5 fingers. And then how many do we have left? So I'm just going to cross out all of these. So I'm going to take that whole hand away. And then I have 4 fingers left. And our last one, we have 10 fingers. We're going to take away 5 fingers. So 10 minus 5 equals, so I'm going to cross out a whole hand, take away a whole hand, and I have 5. So you're going to go ahead and solve page 461 and 462 on your own. And then you can resume the video when you're done, and then we'll go on to section 5. Okay, now we are doing session 5. All right, go ahead and use your fingers to solve these problems really quick. 10 minus 3 equals, And 9 minus 3 equals. All right, so we have 10 fingers. And if you take 2 or 3 fingers away, you have 7 fingers. And same here, we have 9 fingers. Take away 3 fingers, and then you have 6 fingers left. All right, so I'm going to tell you a word problem, and I want you to use your counters to figure it out. So if you need to grab your counters, go ahead and pause. All right, so you have 10 counters, and you're going to model this subtraction story problem. Sarah picks 9 flowers. She gives 5 flowers away. How many flowers are left? Draw on the 10 frame and write the equation. Again, Sarah picks 9 flowers. She gives 5 flowers away. How many flowers are left? Draw on the 10 frame and write the equation. Go ahead and pause and finish that. Okay, what did the 10 frame show before you took counters away? What does it show after you have taken the counters away? Think about that. All right, so I went ahead and did it right here. So I put my 9 counters, and I crossed out 5 that I took away, and I have this many left, 4. All right, so then you're going to solve these problems right here. And I want you to really look at them. How are the problems the same and how are they different? So you're going to go ahead and solve them, and then you're going to discuss what was the same about them and what was different. After you've completed this, you'll be ready to take the assessment. So great job doing subtraction problems today.